Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2011 Holden Colorado single cab ute. This shape ran. This vehicle is fitted with a 10 HNC 3.6 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a two-wheel drive automatic rear-wheel drive transmission. The bonnet appears to have no damage. Left-hand headlight. Left-hand front guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with aftermarket 16-inch steel wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror, left-hand door, aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, left rear has a good tyre. Aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, right rear has a good tyre. We have the right-hand door. Aftermarket 16-inch steel wheel, right front has a good tyre. And the right-hand power door mirror. Driver's power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with factory grey cloth interior. Has a tidy centre console. Tidy handbrake lever. Factory AC controls. Single stack CD player. Left-hand sun visor is in tidy condition. Has a tidy right-hand sun visor. Automatic transmission, instrument cluster. Interior mirror. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.